Welcome everyone to our discussion on the role of emotional intelligence in building with and valuable relationships. So, in part 1, we covered a lot about emotional intelligence and we will stay focused on this topic. So, in this part 2, guys, I will start by asking you with some questions. MP style, mm, can you tell us what emotional intelligence is and give some examples?
Okay, I'll say this in short, there's not much to say. Emotional intelligence is the understanding of your emotion or other people's emotions at the current situations and be able to act smart